I'm on my way to the Philly Expo mixed terrain ride. So we're supposed to meet at the steps of the art museum by 7:30 rollout time. So I should be right on time.
The Philadelphia Bike Expo gravel ride will feature a 20-mile course with Wahoo Fitness sponsored athlete in Boswell. From the art museum, we will travel up the MLK Drive along the Schuylkill River. Then we'll hit Montgomery Drive and jump off-road near the Belmont Plateau cross-country course. At this point, we are finished with the single track for now, and headed back on Greenland Drive, where we will soon be reconnected on MLK Drive. We are just warming up here at mile 5, crossing Falls Bridge Road. You see the morning sunshine, we really couldn't ask for a better morning riding around in Philly. After crossing Ridge Ave, we will continue up the Lincoln Drive Trail, which travels along the Wissahickon Creek. This trail offers very scenic views of the creek and is very bike friendly. We will head along the Forbidden Drive, taking a gnarly single track trail. Continuing our loop, we will cross the Wissahickon Creek once again and jump on the White Trail, then jump on the Orange Trail until we reach our rest stop.
Doing good. Make sure you get to know them. We represent the multitude or a diverse coverage of cycling, from single speed racing, graveling, just having fun, commuting. So that's kind of our goal here. And when Dina and I were first putting the team together, I was the one, me and Ryan were doing this alone, and I was like, we need more people because there's rad people out there and we want to have them support us and support them as well. So we're stoked that this is our second year now, third year with the squad, second year doing this ride. Really happy for these folks that can join us. And then also the riders that led out yesterday's ride as well. So if you see them, say hi, make a friend, ride with them. We all love riding, and we all can talk hours and hours and hours about bikes. And also not bikes. And then our second
Alright, we are crossing Ridge Ave again, making our way back to the heart of Philly. This time we will not be crossing Falls Bridge, but instead heading down Kelly Drive.
Hey, look there. Nice view.
Alright, so we're heading to the convention center.
We are closing in on the Pennsylvania Convention Center and ready to check out all the sponsors and exhibits supporting the bike community.
I'm telling you, that was a great bike ride. Had a little bit of everything in there. Single track, road, it all. Philadelphia Bikes Expo, and I meet the man himself.
Yeah, g'day trendsetters. Hopefully you guys are out and about riding your bikes versus the Insiders Exhibition Hall on a Sunday like we are, but we're here capturing content for you folks to watch.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right.
Pleasure, mate.